Hey guys, this is gonna be a quick unboxing video. Today I received my new iPhone 15 Pro Max and I went all out and got the 1TB version. I didn't really need to upgrade. I currently have a 12 Pro Max, but they offered me $1,000 for my 12 Pro Max to trade it in towards a new one, so I thought, why not? Anyway, just gonna unbox it real quick and show you what it looks like. Also, I got the new AirPods. My coworker sold me on these. I got to try them out the other day and I was blown away by them, so I thought, why not? The new ones are about to come out. I'll pre-order those too. So here we go. Here we have the AirPods. They're the new Generation 2 USB-C charging. And that's how you do it. Ordered them directly from Apple, so they gave me a custom engraving. Dan's AirPods. So at work, I will always know which ones are mine. Alright, onto the phone. Got some accessories also from AT&T. Screen protector. Clear case. Charging block. And here it is. The iPhone 15 Pro Max 1TB version. I usually get a black phone. Last time I got a blue phone, but this time I decided to go with something different and I got the natural titanium. So let's see what this looks like. It is actually very nice. So let's see what's it come with here. Don't know what that is, but there's a USB-C cable. One of the other things that sold me on this phone was the fact that we have USB-C for charging. No longer do we have to deal with that horrible, horrible lightning charger. So anyway, this is what it looks like. Natural titanium. It's very nice. Don't need to take the cover off the screen. You know what the screens look like. I'm not going to take it off until I'm ready to put my screen protector on. You want to come over here and introduce yourself?
Hey everyone, if you remember me from videos like the foot game and the unboxing of the bed and the Scarlet watching Frozen video, it's me again. And I'm much older now because in those videos I was like really young, like 3, 4, and possibly 5. Right now I'm 9 years old, and if you guys want to check it out, I have the YouTube channel Gamer Teddy Plays. We will show you how to spell it correctly in the description down below.
Gamer Teddy Plays.
Yes.
She has lots of videos on there.
Yeah. I post them. I post like a lot of them mostly every day. I've been taking a break now. I'm gonna post some more videos later on.
Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and check out my daughter's YouTube channel, Gamer Teddy Plays, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!